It is often necessary to join two underground cables or terminate the end of the cables inside a switchgear, transformer, motor, or when connecting cable to overhead lines. A cable jointer is a skilled and specialized person called upon to do these installations. Today's topic is why underground cable joints and terminations must be installed by trained and certified installers. The reliability of underground cable joints is highly dependent on the skill of the jointer and following of correct installation instructions as recommended by the jointing kit manufacturer. Many failures in service are caused due to workmanship related causes and lack of cable preparation skills of installers. Failures in service not only results in downtime and production losses, but the location, identification and replacement of faulty underground cable joints is also time-taking, complex and a much costly affair. Therefore, the installation of joints and terminations must be done first time right by skilled, trained and certified cable jointers. It is surely worth to spend a little more time and money during initial installation rather than spend much more in fault replacements later. Thank you for watching.